Good morning, students. I, Sumit Pal, is here to teach you mathematics of class 6th. Today topic is SCF and LCM. Here it is. SCF is stand for highest common factor and LCM is stand for lowest common multiple. First of all, we know that what is factor. So, the factor, a number which divides a given number exactly without leaving any reminder, is called a factor of the given number. It means when we divide a number by given number, it totally divides, not leaving any remainder. So, the example, first a factor of 20. So 20 into 1 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and also 20 are the factor of 20. The second point is multiple. What is the multiple? Let's understand. A multiple of any natural number is a number formed by multiplying it by another natural number. It means when I have a number is 8 and the multiple of 8 is 8 multiplied by 1, we got 8. 8 multiplied by 2, we got 16. 8 multiplied by 3, we got 24. 8 multiplied by 4 is got 32 and so on. So here 8, 16, 24, 32 are multiple of 8. Let's understand with few examples. Write the factor of 28. Here it is, the solution is factor of 28 is 1 multiply 28, we got 28. 2 multiply 14, we got 28. 4 multiply 7, we got 28. So the factor of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and also 28. The second question is write first 4 multiple of 12. The solution is multiple of 12 are 12 into 1 equal to 12. 12 into 2 equal 24. 12 into 3 is equal 36. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. So the multiple of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48. So the next question is write the common factor of 24 and 36. Here it is the common factor and 24 of and 36. So the factor of 24 also we got in the previous question. The same method we apply to find the factor of 24 and 36 also. So first of all, the factor of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So second, the factor of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36. We find the common factor. In here in this question we see 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3, here is also 3, 4, here is also 4, 6, 6, 12 and 12. These are common factor of 24 and 36. So the common factor is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The next question, write two common multiple of 6 and 8. More than 2, 3, 4, etc. The solution is the multiple of 6 and the multiple of 8. We found, as I told you in the previous question, how to find the multiple. We should also apply these methods on this question. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60 and so on. The same is multiple of 8 is equal to 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 into 4 32, 8 into 5 40 dash dash as so on. We could find the multiple of 6 and 8. Here it is, the common multiple of 6 and 8 are, in the table of 6 is 24, also table of 8 is 24, in the table of 6 is 48, and the table of 8 is 48. So 24 and 48 are common multiple of 6 and 8. So dear students, today's topic is over. The homework are given by me on the school website. You can do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.